Hi everyone and welcome back to Bisaya Word of the Week. Thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate your time. And if you're very new, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I just want to let you know I'm not just sharing Cebuano dialect tutorial here. I'm sharing a lot of things in this channel. Alright, so let's get it on. So today's episode is about how to say yes, no, maybe, and don't in Bisaya. My name is Judy and I am here to teach you how to speak Bisaya or Cebuano dialect in a conversational way. Let's start. Yes, oo, dili, no, or not. Okay? Maybe, basin. Maybe, basin. Don't, ayaw. Don't, ayaw. Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples. Ganahan ka og rice. Ganahan ka og rice. So this means, do you like rice? Do you like rice? Ganahan ka og rice. Do you like it? Then you will say, yes, o, no, dili. Okay? Ayaw ko hikapa. Ayaw ko hikapa. That means, don't touch me. Hikap is touching. Hikapa is the act of touching you. Okay? Next, makig-date ka nako. Makig-date ka nako. Then you will answer, basin, maybe. Basin. Basin mo ulan karon. Basin mo ulan karon. So it means, maybe it will rain today. Nag-ulan diha. Nag-ulan diha. Is it raining over there? Is it raining over there? Then you will answer, oh, nag-uwan dire or nag-ulan dire. Dire it's here. O nag-ulan dire means yes, it's raining here. Then you say wala. Then you say wala. It's not raining here. Wala nag-ulan dire. Okay, there you have it. It's a very quick lesson for today. Yes, please come back next Wednesday 8 a.m. Manila time. And again, if you're very new, please consider subscribing. And for all my subscribers who've been watching this, who've been a big supporter of the Cebuano dialect tutorial, thank you so much. Yes, and that's all for today. I hope to see you again next Wednesday. Bye-bye.